Hi, the key of operator in TypeScript will create types taken from object keys. In this case, we have a customer and the customer will have name and age. We can write the type using just plain TypeScript with the name and age. The problem is when we make some adjustment, for example, if we remove age, we need also to go and remove age from here. That's why TypeScript provides a very useful feature. It's called keyoff. So basically, it's the same. As we can see, its initial type is name and age. So this two equals. And the usage you will most useful is in functions. So if, for example, we have get customer value, but here you will have a much more complicated example. But the main, we are using a key. And I've made a mistake because the customer doesn't have name. It has name. So how we can protect it? We can just use keyoff operator and say it should be keyoff customer. And TypeScript will help us to know that I made a mistake. And we fix it. I hope this helps. Have a great day. Bye.